Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH, $5,700, North Ridgeville, Ohio. The 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH comes from the legendary shovelhead era, a period that continues to attract riders who appreciate classic American V-twin motorcycles. Known for their unmistakable styling, strong road presence, and vintage character, FLH models remain popular among Harley enthusiasts across the country. This example is described as a solid rider rather than a show bike. The seller reports that it runs and stops as it should, with recent work including new wiring, stator, rectifier, rear brakes, and rebuilt front brakes. While it could use some additional attention, it appears to offer a good foundation for enjoying classic shovelhead ownership.
Number 2. 1974 Honda CB750F, $5,500, New York, New York. The 1974 Honda CB750F helped build Honda's reputation for producing high-performance motorcycles that combine speed, reliability, and everyday usability. Today, the CB750 remains one of the most respected Japanese classics and continues to attract riders and collectors alike. This example has reportedly been undergoing restoration since 2019 and features numerous upgrades throughout. Highlights include rebuilt carburetors, new suspension components, upgraded electronics, stainless brake lines, a Delcovic exhaust system, and many additional restoration parts. With extensive work already completed, this CB750F presents as a thoughtfully refreshed vintage Honda.
Number 3. 1953 BMW R51/3, $8,500, Westford, Massachusetts. The 1953 BMW R51/3 represents the early post-war era of BMW motorcycle production and remains one of the brand's most admired vintage models. Known for its durable boxer engine, classic styling, and historical significance, the R51/3 continues to be highly respected among collectors worldwide. This motorcycle has an interesting history and has benefited from substantial recent work aimed at returning it to a more original condition. The seller invested in mechanical and electrical repairs, replacement parts, a new saddle, and new tires with assistance from a respected vintage BMW specialist. The result is a classic BMW that appears much closer to its original form while remaining ready to enjoy. Number 4. 1978 Suzuki GS750, $2,400, Poughkeepsie, New York. The 1978 Suzuki GS750 helped establish Suzuki as a serious competitor in the four-cylinder motorcycle market. Combining dependable performance with comfortable road manners, the GS750 earned a strong reputation and remains a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows approximately 23,000 miles and features several tasteful upgrades, including modern taillights with integrated signals and a cafe-style mirror. The seller notes that the original parts are included as well, giving future owners flexibility in how they choose to present the bike. At this price point, it offers an affordable entry into classic Suzuki ownership. Number 5. 1972 Triumph TR6C Trophy 650, $5,495, Malone, New York. The 1972 Triumph TR6C Trophy 650 captures the rugged spirit of British street scramblers from the golden age of motorcycling. Powered by a 650cc twin-cylinder engine, the Trophy became popular for its versatility, simple design, and distinctive British character. This example shows just 16,238 miles and is described by the seller as both running and looking great. Features include a single carb setup, Hagon rear shocks, custom seat, leather saddlebag, and a classic 2-in-1 exhaust system. With its vintage styling and strong running condition, this Triumph offers plenty of appeal for classic motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 6. 1976 Kawasaki KZ750 Twin, $2,800, Pembroke, Massachusetts. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ750 Twin is a classic Japanese motorcycle known for its strong performance, simple design, and enjoyable riding experience. These early KZ models developed a loyal following thanks to their reliability and responsive parallel twin engines. This example shows 32,000 miles and is described as running and riding great. Recent work includes rebuilt carburetors and a new clutch cable, helping keep the bike road-ready. Aside from occasionally squeaky brakes, the seller reports that it is ready to ride and enjoy, making it an affordable vintage Kawasaki with plenty of character. Number 7. 1989 Moto Guzzi Miele GT, $5,000, Johnstown, Ohio. The 1989 Moto Guzzi Miele GT combines classic Italian styling with the unique personality of Moto Guzzi's famous V-twin engine. Built around the legendary Tanti frame, these motorcycles are admired for their stability, comfort, and distinctive riding experience. This example shows 14,500 miles and is described as a very clean, mostly original motorcycle. The seller reports that it runs great, pulls strong, and has received current maintenance, along with a brand new set of tires. For riders seeking something different from the usual vintage offerings, this Moto Guzzi presents a unique opportunity. Number 8. 1971 Yamaha XS650, $5,500, Blackwood, New Jersey. The 1971 Yamaha XS650 helped establish Yamaha as a serious competitor in the twin-cylinder motorcycle market. Combining British-inspired styling with Japanese reliability, the XS650 became one of the most successful and enduring motorcycles of its generation. This restored example shows 22,557 miles and is described as starting easily and running great. The bike has been professionally repainted, stored indoors, and carefully maintained throughout its life. With its clean presentation and strong running condition, this XS650 appears ready for both weekend rides and local motorcycle events. Number 9. 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120, $8,500, Buffalo, New York. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120 remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built. Known for its excellent performance, beautiful styling, and strong racing heritage, the Bonneville continues to be one of the most sought-after vintage Triumph models. This example shows approximately 8,000 miles and is presented in its correct red paint scheme. The seller describes the motorcycle as being in excellent show condition while also starting easily and running well. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this T120 offers timeless appeal and classic British character. Number 10. 1979 Suzuki GS850, $2,600, Dumont, New Jersey. The 1979 Suzuki GS850 earned a reputation as one of the most dependable touring motorcycles of the late 1970s. Its smooth inline-4 engine, comfortable ergonomics, and durable design helped make it a favorite among riders who valued reliability and long-distance capability. This example shows 25,000 original miles and has received extensive maintenance over the years. Recent work includes rebuilt carburetors, upgraded brake components, fresh fluids, a new battery, and new clutch parts. With its solid mechanical condition and well-preserved appearance, this GS 850 looks ready for many more miles on the road.
Number 11. 1983 Honda Goldwing, $2,500, Portsmouth, Virginia. The 1983 Honda Goldwing continued Honda's reputation for building comfortable and dependable touring motorcycles. With its smooth, flat-4 engine and long-distance capability, the Goldwing became one of the most respected touring machines of its era and remains popular among classic motorcycle enthusiasts today. This example shows 23,000 miles and is described as a beautiful classic motorcycle. The seller reports that it runs and rides great, while also including a clean title. At this price point, it offers an affordable opportunity to own a well-known vintage touring bike.
Number 12. 1979 Triumph Bonneville, $7,300, Lansdale, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Triumph Bonneville represents the final years of the original Meriden-era Bonnevilles, a motorcycle line that helped define British motorcycling for decades. Known for its timeless styling and enjoyable twin-cylinder performance, the Bonneville remains a favorite among collectors and riders alike. This example has been owned by the seller since 1981 and has reportedly been completely refurbished using original parts. A new clutch has recently been installed, and the sale includes both a stand and cover. With its clear title and long-term ownership history, this Bonneville appears to be a well-cared-for classic.
Number 13. 1974 Suzuki GT550, $2,000, Oxford, Massachusetts. The 1974 Suzuki GT550 is one of the most famous two-stroke triples of the 1970s, known for its unique engine character and smooth power delivery. Often referred to as the Indy by enthusiasts, the GT550 remains a desirable model among collectors of vintage Japanese motorcycles. This example was reportedly ridden regularly until the engine was rebuilt around 2000 before being placed into storage. The seller notes that the engine remains free, but the carburetors need rebuilding and the fuel tank requires repair. With a clean title and included spare parts, this GT550 offers an interesting restoration project.
Number 14. 1998 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom Built, $14,900, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The 1998 Harley-Davidson Softail provides the classic custom cruiser look that has made the Softail platform so popular for decades. Custom-built examples often stand out thanks to their unique styling and personalized details, making them favorites at motorcycle shows and events. This one-owner motorcycle shows just 11,447 miles and was reportedly built and maintained by its owner. The standout feature is its custom candy apple red paintwork, with detailed graphics and extensive billet aluminum components throughout. With numerous show awards and a highly customized appearance, this Softail was clearly built to attract attention wherever it goes.
Number 15. 1982 Kawasaki KZ750, $500, Norfolk, Virginia. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ750 remains a popular choice among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts thanks to its durable design, strong engine, and excellent restoration potential.
These motorcycles continue to be sought after by riders looking for an affordable entry into classic Japanese motorcycle ownership. This example shows just over 5,000 miles and is being sold as a project. The seller reports that the bike runs but still needs several items addressed, including carburetor work, a starter solenoid, and a few missing components. With a title, key, and very affordable price, it could be an appealing project for the right buyer.
Those are great. I don't mind. Use your car gasket and make it a little bit longer. Engine's great. Has a 10-hole leak right here. So it needs to get it. It's idling by itself.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Let us know which bike was your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more classic motorcycle deals from across the USA.